Hi, it's Jan from Velomobiel World, and today I gonna tell you some information if you're from America, how you can get in bulk very cheap. So we want to be at CycleCon, and we rented already in Boot and took a ticket to United States. So this is the second time I will go to the United States. I hope this time the experience will be nicer. At least I know now much more people in the United States. Not that I know if I will meet a lot of them. But we will go to the CycleCon and we want to bring one or two bulks with us. And we prefer to sell them already up front. And we will give you a nice discount on the bike. And the shipping will be for free. And we would like to send them end of August, beginning of September. So it's a bit in a hurry now because I didn't realize that the factories will be closed 3 weeks in August. So yeah, you can write me on jan@velomobielworld.com. And yeah, shipping is for free and about 20% discount. So this is your chance to get pretty nice price. See you there. Bye bye.